In this video we're going to look at solving linear equations, okay, and mainly with just pronumerals on one side. Okay, so let's look at a few examples to start with. So for the first one we should have actually a number over on the right hand side. I'm going to put 3 there, okay. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. 2y plus 17 equals 3. Now what we want to end up with is the pronumeral on the left hand side and all the numbers on the right hand side. And to get something from one side to the other, we've got to do the opposite sign. So for this first one we've got plus 17, we want to get that to the other side, so we need to minus 17 off both sides. So that will give us 2y equals 3 minus 17 is minus 14. Now 2y is the same as 2 times y, so we need to actually divide both sides by 2. Okay, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's just y equals negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. Okay, example 2. We have y over 3 minus 2 equals 9. First thing we need to do is get that negative 2 over to the other side. So to do that we have to plus 2 to both sides. And then we're left with y over 3 equals 9 plus 2 is 11. And this is y divided by 3 equals 11. Opposite of divide is multiply. So we multiply both sides by 3, and that will cancel that 3 out. And it leaves us with y equals 11 times 3 is 33. You can check these along the way to make sure you're right. So for example, we've found that y equals 33. If we plug that into our original equation here, y is 33 divided by 3. Okay, that's 11. Subtract 2 from that, and that will equal 9. The final example we're going to look at, I'm just going to do it directly below it. Okay, but we've got r minus 3 over 2 equals 8. So the first step I need to do is actually, because the opposite of divide by 2 is multiply both sides by 2. And if I do that, that will cancel the 2 out down the bottom. And I'm left with r minus 3 equals 8 times 2 is 16. And the final step, okay, we've got negative 3 on the left hand side. We want to get that to the other side, so we need to plus 3 to both sides. And that'll leave us with r equals 19. Once again, you can check it, okay, if you're not sure if your answer is correct. And that you should get the equations to balance out. So what I mean by that is you have the left hand side of the equal sign equaling the right hand side of the equal sign. That's it for this video.